Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to Skanisa Breaking News. I am Anissa Yuradita Agita bringing you the latest headlines from around the world. Today we cover the top stories that is about geopolitical tensions pose major risks to global economy impacting Indonesia. August 2024. Geopolitical tensions are now considered the most critical risk to the global economy, with conflicts in Eastern Europe and the Middle East threatening vital sectors such as food and energy. According to Dr. Rachel Klein, an economist specializing in global markets, the ongoing conflicts in this region are disrupting not only oil production but also shipping routes, which are essential for the global supply chain. The Suez Canal alone sees 30% of global container traffic, and any disruption there will have a domino effect on economies worldwide. In particular, the conflict in the Middle East, which produces nearly 30% of the world's oil, has the potential to significantly impact energy markets. John Mitchell, an energy analyst, explains if the situation escalated further, we're likely to see oil prices soar by as much as 30% from the projected $81 per barrel. This will stoke inflation, slow economic growth, and increase global financial instability. The effects are not limited to global players. Indonesia is also feeling the strain, as the country imports most of its oil. Professor Andi Syamsuddin, an Indonesian economic expert, states Indonesia's dependence on imported oil makes it particularly vulnerable to global price hikes. If the conflict continues, domestic fuel prices will rise, and this could severely affect both consumers and industries. The situation is further complicated by the local boycott of Israeli products due to the Palestinian conflict. This political stance has created additional economic stress. Ahmad Darwish, a political economist, observes, while the boycott is rooted in strong solidarity for the Palestinian cause, it also adds pressure to an already fragile economy, especially with the disruption to supply chains through the Suez Canal. These expert insights underline how intertwined global geopolitical crises and local political actions are, with Indonesian consumers likely to bear the brunt of rising prices and economic uncertainty in the coming months. That's all for tonight's edition of Skanisa TV News. Thank you for joining us. We will be back with more updates in the next time. Until then, stay safe, stay informed, and have a great evening. I am